Okay, so we all like to go out and eat sometimes. And in New York, when we go out to restaurants, Applebee's, Olive Gardens, more upscale restaurants such as River Terrace, River Cafe, you have to pay a gratuity, which is just a tip. And the suggested or the expected tip is 15% on what the food costs you, okay? So let's suppose you went out and eat at Applebee's with you and your friend, and the bill came up to $66. You are expected to pay 15% on that $66. Okay, so you can calculate the tip by finding 15% on $66, and that's something that you know how to do already. So I'm going to do something else here. I want to find out what the total bill is. So total bill after gratuity. Okay, that's how much money you paid after gratuity or tip. And again, since I'm thinking about the 100% cost, which is the $66, plus this extra 15%, I'm going to be required to pay 115% times the $66, okay? So I can set up a proportion, and that proportion would be 115 over 100, because I'm paying 115%, is the same as my bill, which I'm trying to find out, divided by just the regular cost of the food, because the bill has to include the tip. So 115%, notice, is on the numerator, and so is the bill. So that's the big amount of money that I'm trying to find. And the original amount, which is the $66, that's what I'm working off, is on the denominator. It's the denominator. So I do my cross product. 115 times 66 is the same as, or is equal to 100 times B. And so now I'm going to take the value of 115 times 66. I need to know what 115 times 66 is. And while I'm taking out my calculator, you can also calculate that on your calculator as you watch. Alright, so 115 times 66 gives me 7,590, and 100 times B just gives me 100 B. Okay, and now I want to divide both sides of this equation by 100 in order to find B. Alright, and this is an easy calculation. So when we divide by 100, all we got to do is to start at the last digit and go back 2 places with that invisible decimal point. And so what I have here is, I have that B is equal to 75.9, which is the same as 75.90. Why is that so? Yes, that is so because 9 represents 9 tenths. Okay? So this is 9 tenths. And 9 years till 9 tenths. If I add 0 hundredths, I haven't changed the value, okay? So total bill, okay, equals 75.90. Okay, total bill equals 75.90. And I think that will be the last video for the day. Alright, the last video for the day. Oh, by the way, let me show you that I have my information here. So here's my tip. I calculated my tip, by the way, and when I calculated my tip, I got $9.90. See, I have my tip, $9.90 for my tip, and I have $66. So add $9.90 to 6 and I get 75.90. See, I'm used to going out to the restaurants. I eat out a lot. Okay, enjoy.